Good morning. Thanks for your company this Thursday, the 1st of October. I'm Jessica Amir, market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, after US equities pulled back for a day, they've sprung back into action overnight, making green tracks on better than expected jobs and monthly home sales data. Now, a monthly employment report called the ADP Monthly Job Report showed that 749,000 jobs were added to the US economy in September, almost 100,000 more than expected. Now, the report is important. It gives a gauge of what to expect from the government's official numbers in 2 days' time. Meanwhile, pending home sales also saw a massive increase, a jump of almost 9% in August, the biggest jump on record. On the political side of things, the US Treasury Secretary and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi are attempting to craft a fifth stimulus package aimed at passing both chambers of Congress, but this has been stalling for some time now. Now, despite this, we saw economic recovery stocks like banks and cruise line operators rally, with the Dow rising 1.2% and the broader S&P 500 put on 0.8%, and the Nasdaq followed 0.7% higher. Now, what to watch today? Well, the Aussie futures are suggesting a modest start to the session, a lift of almost 0.2% or 8 points, but I'll be watching how stimulus talks develop and keep an eye on US futures, as that could affect our afternoon session. But of course, for oil, it could be a better day, given they declined over 4% yesterday. A rebound looks to be on the cards, given the oil prices up about 2% overnight to just shy of $40 a barrel. Gold stocks look like they could see another pullback, though, given the precious metal is trading lower again, putting gold on pace for its worst month in 4 years. Now, what else to watch? Well, we know the Aussie Prime Minister's budget next week plans to invest $1.5 billion into manufacturing, namely resources, critical minerals, food and beverages, medical products, recycling, clean energy, defence and space manufacturing. So it could be worth sussing out companies in those areas. As for trading ideas that may be worth a look, Elders ELD reiterated or upgraded as a bell potter buy with a new $12.25 target, implying 12% upside from yesterday's close. Now, the upgrade reflects favourable conditions in livestock, wool and crop markets, with volumes rising in each of those areas. So that's ELD, a bell potter restamped buy. Now, Santos STO was reiterated as a UBS buy with a $6.50 target. Yesterday, STO closed at $4.88. Now, Santos was granted New South Wales environmental approval for the Narrabri gas project, which was the biggest hurdle for the project. So now it's over to the Commonwealth Government to approve, with approval expected next month, subject to opposition. Now, UBS estimates, if all goes well, drilling could kick off next year. Gas to the Wilga Park power station could be turned on, though, in some time, 2024. But what's attractive to UBS is the price at which it could sell gas at, and also a number of other catalysts along the way this year. So that's STO, a UBS buy. And lastly, keep an eye on Alliance Aviation, AQZ, Medusa Mining, MMI, and Shine Justice, SHJ, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. Now, of those, the fly-in, fly-out company Alliance Aviation, one that's been doing exceptionally well this year, AQZ, well, their fundamental calls appear to be mirroring Trading Central's technical analysis, saying its shares could rally to 388 to 396 over the next 31 days, as that's how long it took AQZ to form what's called a continuation diamond chart pattern. As for Credit Suisse, they say AQZ is expected to hit $4.05. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.